Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.07. Now let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 94.17% since we first listed BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate just 9 days ago. This translates to an average return of 10.46% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $8.79 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 94.07% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.81% to 113.26%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 27.13% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 67.54% and 38.69%. This translates to a price range of $2.60 to $11.09 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Volatile Ride for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Tuesday, moving between $7.87 and $9.41. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price fell by 8.26% on the last day, Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, from $8.72 to $8. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 19.57%, from a day low at $7.87 to a day high of $9.41. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 116.22% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 69 million shares, with a total of 117 million shares bought and sold for approximately $933,550,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $9.70, and the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 17.53%, or $1.70, below the 52-week high, and 50.37%, or $8.12, below the all-time high on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings, Inc., commonly known as BBAI, is currently experiencing notable momentum amid the growing excitement around artificial intelligence. The stock closed at $8.72, marking a 1.51% rise recently, which reflects investor optimism. BBAI's performance is supported by a solid product portfolio and strategic partnerships, despite facing macroeconomic challenges and losses linked to Virgin Orbit. Investors are increasingly drawn to BBAI, particularly as AI continues to dominate financial news following significant developments like President Trump's announcement of a massive investment initiative in U.S. AI infrastructure totaling at least $500 billion. Moreover, BBAI's recent contract award from the Department of Defense has elevated its profile, pushing the stock to an all-time high. In the short term, BBAI's volatility, common in the tech and AI sectors, may lead to fluctuating stock prices, but the overall trajectory suggests potential for continued growth. Long-term investors may find BBAI appealing given the broader market trends favoring AI innovation and deployment. Analysts continue to monitor these movements closely, assessing whether recent gains are sustainable or if corrections are imminent. Overall, the combination of strategic partnerships and rising interest in AI technologies positions BBAI favorably for future performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, in the year 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, in the year 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio receives a sell rating. In terms of return on investment, analysts classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences downward corrections, support levels can be found at $6.92 and $4.48. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MAD. However, some negative signals have emerged, which could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, February 10, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 8.26%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that might catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivots provide a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 82 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 11 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average also shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average has a buy signal from 90 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 105 days ago. For further signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Analyzing support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.11 and $6.77. Without any support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases significantly. A drop below the support at $6.77 could lead to a substantial decrease in the stock price. This stock is subject to considerable movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Bands, it is classified as very high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.54 between its high and low points, representing a movement of 19.57%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 27.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This significant ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and the potential for bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at -5 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $8.71. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $7.11. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On January 31st, 2025, Carolyn Blankenship executed an insider sale of 66,153 shares of common stock. On January 22nd, 2025, Paul E. Fulcino made an insider purchase of 11,338 shares of common stock. On January 22nd, 2025, Pamela Joyce Braden performed an insider purchase of 21,542 shares of common stock. On January 22nd, 2025, Peter Anthony Canito Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 25,850 shares of common stock. On January 22nd, 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings, LLC carried out an insider purchase of 43,878 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power stands at a negative ratio of 89.254. In total, insiders acquired 5,314,143 shares, while selling 96,765,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.56, reflecting a decrease of 5.52%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top discovered 1 day ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, February 12th, we anticipate BigBear.ai Holdings will open at 427 cents and begin trading at $8.43. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and may you have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.